Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we'll learn about how to install or use Scratch. So there are two ways in which you can use Scratch. One is the offline mode where you can install Scratch on your local system, and other is the online one. Let's look at them one by one. For using the Scratch on offline one, you can just go to the browser and search for Scratch download. Here you can choose Scratch according to the kind of OS you have. So here, like for example, we have Windows, then you can directly choose this option. It will download the Scratch software. Once it is downloaded, you can go to that folder and then just double click it to install. Follow the simple instructions and then you'll be able to install it on your system. Just finish it. So now we got Scratch software on our local system, and this is how it looks like. Now let's look at the online version. So again we can go to the browser and search for Scratch. Here we'll get the link scratch.mit.edu. So that's the one we have to choose. Here you can just like do the sign in or just join Scratch, and it will just ask for basic details and you can create the account here, and after that just sign in. So this is the one, and here you can just choose the options to create. So this is the same look and feel that you got on your local, so same thing you can get on the online version as well. But I think the main benefit of using online one is you don't have to use a specific system. You can just use any system and then do the Scratch programming and then save your programs, and then you will be able to access them.